got the Road King on the table here. I don't know if you guys checked out the other video, the introduction of the Road King. We're finally going to get some things done on it. We're going to do a front and back wheel set by Coastal Moto. I am an authorized dealer with them, with Coastal Moto. So if you see or you need any wheels, tires, rotors, whatever the case may be, reach out to me or check out Ledsnbaggs.com. Alright, enough of that. We're going to get to the action. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You should know how to take off your wheel, your front and your back wheel. I'm not going to do a step-by-step deal here. I'm just going to go over it. Once we get the wheel off, I'll talk about it, whatever the case may be. But let's go ahead and get these things. This thing's going to look awesome, man, with the chrome wheel setup. So let's cut to all that. Let's get back to the action. Alright guys, as you see in the previous little clips there, we got the back wheel off. So now what I'm going to do is mock up the Coastal Moto wheel here. Now that wheel doesn't come with the pulley here. So we got to use the old your current cushion and all that. Stick it in the wheel, use the pulley, and then your rotor as well. We didn't order a rotor with the wheel, so we have to move the rotor over. Now you're supposed to use new rotor bolts and look up the torque specs for your vehicle, for your motorcycle. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the camera, get that thing mocked up, and be right back. As you can see, got that back wheel on there. Alright, so I'm gonna do a roundabout on the wheel, and then we're gonna move to the front. Like I said, the install, if you know how to remove your back wheel, it's the same for each Harley Davidson. Some things may be a little different. Have a soft tail or a touring bike. Like I said, still the same concept. But let me get the camera around, get it in a little closer so you can take a look at it, and then we'll move to the front of the bike and get that 21 on there. Alright, as you can see, it looks a little good. Brand new wheel. Come already mounted and balanced. Ready to go. Alright. Back brakes is done. Now basically the way you do it, probably for the camera moving, I'm holding it. So the way you do it is you remove these two bolts, which you have to do to take the wheel off anyway. There's a pin right here, a small little cotter pin. Let me zoom in a little bit. So you pull that pin up, and this right here, pull this, you unloosen this and bag it out. And after you do that, your brakes will drop out, and you place them just like you do with car brakes. Alright, so it's real simple, and this is what the old pads look like in my hand. So them things are, yeah, safety first, man. So I was here, just ran to Harley and grabbed another set. Now they're done. Throw those in the trash. But if you assess it from this side, look at that pad. So now we're good. Alright, let's finally move to the front of the bike. Alright, finally made it to the front. So, I'm gonna explain the front. Process of getting the wheel off. If you have a Harley Davidson, you should know how to do that. But if you don't, you have a bolt here that you want to get off. On the other side, you want to take a screwdriver and hold that while you loosen this bolt as well. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the calipers. It'll be a little easier install. But I may leave them on because I have to remove the fender to add the fender risers. So when you go from a stock, especially this size stock, to a 21, you have two options. You have to go with a 21-inch wrap front fender, which I offer. All right, or you can go with the fender risers, and I offer those as well. They come with your wheel setup. Okay, so you have an option. I think black or chrome, or yeah, black or chrome. You get a chrome wheel, you get chrome risers, black wheel, black risers. But we got to install these. Now we do have something good coming to this, but for now, we're gonna put these on there and let it ride for a little while until the rest of our parts come in. All right. So, like I said, I don't think I have to remove the calipers, but actually, I'm gonna go ahead and do so as well. Just go ahead and get them out the way. That way, I can look at the brakes. I may need brakes as well on the front. I didn't check. So maybe another trip to Harley to grab a set of the front. All right. So let's hope not. If they're good, they're good. If they're not, then we're gonna go ahead and replace them since we're here. All right, so let's cut all the chitter chatter and let's get to the action. Alright guys, got the brakes changed. I'm gonna go ahead and work on this fender, get this fender off. I think that'd be the easy way for me to get the tire out of this chalk right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it all off since I gotta do the fender risers as well. So I will just knock it out. Alright guys, you want to get your wheel up in there. Just want to make sure you look at it and make sure you got it rotating in the proper direction. All right, there we have it. The wheel on there. Let's work on getting this thing squared off. We'll take it from there. You want to make sure you grease this up good. This is pretty this is very lack of grease right here. So I'm gonna get some fresh lube here. We'll go ahead and knock this thing out and get it off the table and get some good shots of it. everyone, we've been following along. Got the Road King here. We got the wheels out. We got it out the shop. Got it cleaned up just a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and show you, do a roundabout. This thing is coming out really great. But amongst that, if you're interested in a set of wheels, please reach out to me or visit Ledsnbaggs.com. Catch me on all social media platforms as well. All right, let's cut to the action. Here you have it. The first upgrade to the Road King. It's a 2014 Road King. That front wheel come out good, man, with that with that stock front fender. That thing looks good. "21" front, stock front fender. As I mentioned earlier, all you have to do is the fender riders. You can't even notice them. Got those fender riders in there. Did a brake job while I was in there as well. And of course, you got to have matching back. You wear matching shoes, right? So you gotta have the matching back. 18 rear, so widen out the back. Shit's a little tall on me, but we'll work with it. Yes, indeed. Should come out real beautiful. All right, everyone, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. So like I said, appreciate you watching and continue to follow along on this Road King project. We got some good things coming, some good things on the way, some packages coming. So like I said, up next, I think we're gonna do the bars, get rid of that windshield, and I won't ruin the surprise. All right, so as always, stay safe riding, and I'll catch you guys later.